Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Kalium network token. Ticker symbol is Kali, K-A-L-I. Now this token is just starting their pre-sale right now on pinksale.finance. They're already trending in the top 12. Right now they're trending number 6. This is a Binance Smart Chain token with a full audit, KYC, SAFU badge, all sorts of good features here. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale's over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Kalium network, your gateway to on-chain privacy, seamlessly integrated with Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, and Near for enhanced privacy via ZK cryptography. So I'm going to put their Twitter up right here so you guys can easily find this project. You'll see that their webpage is linked on there. Kalium.network. They just joined Twitter in October 2023, so this is a brand new project. 2,355 followers on their Twitter so far. So it says they are going to Nearcon, which is an event, you know, like Comic-Con, BitCon, whatever, any of these crypto events. Nearcon, you know, the Near blockchain, obviously. And this is between November 7th and 10th in Lisbon, so they're advertising that on their Twitter, saying that they're going to be there. Their Twitter is at Kalium_network. So it says, join the Kalium network pre-sale for the Kali tokens now. Kalium network will be presented at Nearcon 2023. Kali aimed at Kalium network's finalization and scaling. Kali token is our primary ecosystem payment method. And then it has a link to PinkSale up there. So it is tracked on gemsradar.com if you want to check it out on there. It says we got some exciting news. They're teaming up with crypto miners. And together we're taking the blockchain world by storm. Get ready for groundbreaking insights and innovations. Stay tuned. And they have a hackathon. It says discover the build on Viction workshop, win over 200,000 USDT, join the next big thing in tech with our friends Build on Viction series hosted by whatever, and it says if you're tech driven, now's your time, register now. So they have all sorts of cool updates. It says, be among the first to join the Kalium network pre-sale and become an angel investor. Invest in the future of blockchain technology starting November 8th. Get ready. Something big and exciting is coming to the blockchain world, which takes us to their PinkSale page. So they have a full audit. So they were audited by CFG Ninja. You can check that out on PinkSale. They also have a KYC, which means that their team was doxxed to verify who they are for security reasons. They have a SAFU badge on here by Matrix Labs Terminal. You can check that out as well. Like I said, they're trending number 6 right now. Pre-sale is literally about to start. So basically when this video gets uploaded, that's when exactly the pre-sale will be starting. It's a public pre-sale. Ticker symbol KALI. That's how you find the token in the Launchpad list or in trending in the top 12. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 1 million Kali tokens, 150,000 tokens for pre-sale, 88,200 tokens for liquidity. Initial market cap estimate is $19,839. So this is a Binance Smart Chain token. Public pre-sale and soft cap is going to be 50 BNB, and there is no hard cap. It's going to be a 3-day pre-sale, so pre-sale started exactly November 8th at 15 hours UTC time and goes until November 11th, 15 hours UTC time. Now, if you end up missing this pre-sale, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there. By funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the Kali token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, Kalium.network. It also says that there's going to be Tier 1 and Tier 2 multiple central exchange listings. So if you follow their socials, they will announce which central exchange listings will be coming in the future. You'll be able to get the token off of there. And then also liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 365 days. So the Kalium network is your gateway to on-chain privacy. Seamlessly integrated with Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, and Near for enhanced privacy via ZK cryptography. Kalium network will be presented at Nearcon 2023. Kali tokens launch has low fees. It is aimed at Kalium network's finalization and scaling. It also sets up the Kali token as the primary ecosystem payment method. There's going to be borrowing and lending products, and they're backed 100% by the Treasury and will be released soon. And it's going to have a live audited staking dApp. So you'll be able to stake your tokens to get more rewards, possibly governance. So this tokens metrics allocation pie chart is on here. So this is how the tokens are split up. 18% of the tokens go to central exchange listings. Only a tiny little sliver, 0.3% of the tokens are unlocked. 15% of the tokens go to pre-sale. 8.82% go to liquidity. 15% goes to DAO governance, so there is governance involved here. 16% goes to network development. 10% staking and rewards. 7% partnerships. 5.88% goes to marketing. So besides that, they have some socials that you could check out here. I already mentioned the Twitter, and that's up on the screen here. But they also have a Telegram you could follow that has almost 4,000 members on it. At Kalium_network_global. You could follow their Telegram there. You could also find their Discord group linked here on Pink Sale. And they also have a full link tree you could check out here. It says Facebook, but when you scroll over the Facebook, it's actually a link tree that has links to Snapshot, Zly, Discord, Medium articles where you could read more in depth about the project, 2 different Telegrams, an X, and a website. So you could check, just go on their Pink Sale page and scroll over the Facebook icon, and I guess they don't have a link tree icon on Pink Sale, so it'll take you over to a full link tree instead of a Facebook, and then you can check out all the info. But yeah, pre-sale is literally about to start like right now, so go check out this pre-sale. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.